Welcome. Today we will learn how to delete a user who owns one or more schemas within a SQL Server database. Attempting to drop the user using SQL commands also results in an error. The error occurs because we are attempting to delete a user or login that has ownership over one or more schemas within a database. First, we will identify schemas owned by the user. Right-click the user and select Properties. Under Select a page, click Own Schemas. Our user has the DB owner schema. Now, to transfer schema ownership, expand the Schemas node. Right-click the DB owner and select Properties. Change the schema owner name to the default DBO user. Finally, you can proceed to delete the database user you want to remove.